Hi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Sir, please tell us about your shooting experience in Law College Dehradun, Uttarakhand University.
I think we are really blessed to be shooting in such a beautiful college. लोग चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी की बात करते हैं, लवली यूनिवर्सिटी, and they talk about Bombay University. वहाँ पे भी बहुत शूटिंग होती है. But I think we are very lucky कि हम लोग पहले ऐसे शूटिंग टीम है जिन्होंने इतना बढ़िया कॉलेज कैंपस को टैप किया है. Because it's so real and it's so fresh and it looks so beautiful. और उत्तरांचल में जहाँ कहीं भी शूट करो, चाहे वो गांव हो, चाहे वो शहर हो, चाहे वो यूनिवर्सिटी हो, it looks gorgeous. So
everything is beautiful.
Beautiful, absolutely.
So please tell us about this particular theme movie you're doing.
So this movie is basically on a special kind of a disorder, and it's a father and son story के बच्चे लड़के को उस प्रॉब्लम से गुजरना पड़ता है. How the father उसको पाल पोस के बड़ा करता है with that disorder, and how the stigma of society, they laugh at you, आपका मजाक उड़ाते हैं like any other issues that we have. और फिर वही society जो है उसी बंदे को आप ऊंचाइयों पे चढ़ाती है. तो it's how this family is dealing with society, with people, with the world, with that disorder.
You are also producing this movie, right?
Well, मैं तो सिर्फ काम कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पर. I'm mainly as an actor, so yeah.
So what according to you is the future of movies? I mean, particularly if you talk about shooting in Uttarakhand.
I think with God's grace, CM साहब जो हैं उन्होंने मुहूर्त शॉट दिया था हमारी फिल्म का, and he said something so beautiful that जो सब्सिडी वो उत्तराखंड प्रमोट करती है to promote the state is a one window stop. आप सीधा जाओ, अप्लाई करो, एक ही विंडो से आपको सब्सिडी का लेटर मिलेगा, उसी विंडो पे आप पूरी फाइल दे दो and you get a subsidy back. I think this really pushes people to shoot out here, in Uttarakhand, because everybody wants an incentive. और अब तो कोविड के बाद things are so tough. I mean, earlier we would shoot with 150 unit. We are half of that, and we are very tight. And of course, there are money constraints. People, their pockets are tight. और उसमें if you are getting a little subsidized monetary support from the government, nothing like it. And not only that, जगह इतनी सुंदर है, तो मतलब सोने पे सुहागा. Absolutely, and I would appeal to all the filmmakers that तो हम लोग ने तो अभी मसूरी नैनीताल टैप भी नहीं किया, और भी बहुत सारी जगह वहाँ पर. We've just been out here, so yeah.
Expectations from the movie?
Oh man, हम बनाने कुछ और चले थे इतना, और मिल गया हमें इतना. So we're really hoping a lot from this movie in terms of the very emotional, a slice of life, fun, and you see how a bond between a father and son. And I'm so glad to be working with Sanjay Mishra ji, because he is a stalwart, एक legend I would call him, really. और उनके साथ काम करके तो मतलब एक मज़ा ही कुछ और था. And then हमारे मेन प्रोड्यूसर जो हैं हमारे पंचम भाई, and the director Raj, that team is so beautiful. कोई पता ही नहीं चला कि पिक्चर कब स्टार्ट की हम लोगों ने, कब ख़त्म हो जाएगी. ऐसा ही चल रहा है कि we are just having a fun time working with everybody, and so everybody else also. There's Tridha on the set, the actress Manisha Lamba, so I'm really excited for this film.
One short message for all the youth who are aspiring for making their careers in film industry and cinematography.
अभी तो फिलहाल हालत टाइट है, आप घर पर ही बैठे हो. मुंबई आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, but what the best way to do is, like, digital platform has become such a big medium, and that's a good way to start off. आपका अंदर का डर, भय, the nervousness that you have. And then there are a lot of people, I mean, so many talent companies, theatre companies are choosing people from social media. They're seeing how they perform, how they're acting. Even one of our producers, Manoj ji, he came here, we chose local actors. He would come here, he would speak to some people, and he would just, because we've seen them, he would show them on उनका social media से, अच्छा ये अच्छा बंदा confident लग रहा है, तो इस तरह से. So social media is a very good platform.
Alright. Thank you so much, sir, for guiding all the youth, and all the very best for your movie.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hello, sir. देहरादून में शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सर?
बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा. पहले तो नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. और एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही बेहतरीन रहा है हमारा लॉ कॉलेज उत्तरांचल यूनिवर्सिटी में. सपोर्ट है हमें, पूरा टीम का, स्टाफ का हमें बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है. तो बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से हमारी शूटिंग चल रही है, अच्छे तरीके से।
फिल्म से आगे क्या उम्मीदें हैं सर?
फिल्म से आगे बहुत उम्मीदें हैं। ऑफकोर्स देहरादून एक्सप्लोर हो रहा है इसमें, और अच्छे से यूनिवर्सिटी को एक्सप्लोर किया हमने, और कैंपस इतना बड़ा है कि इतनी खूबसूरत लोकेशन हमें शायद कहीं नहीं मिल सकती थी। तो हमें उम्मीद है कि ये फिल्म में जब ये दिखाया जाएगा तो लोग बहुत पसंद करेंगे, और आगे और लोग यहाँ पर शूट करने के लिए आएंगे इस जगह पे।
फिल्म के बारे में सर थोड़ा सा बताएं।
जी, फिल्म जो है ये एक रेयर डिसीज़ पे है। सब्जेक्ट हमारा जो है कुतुब मीनार, जिसमें कास्ट है हमारे संजय मिश्रा सर, करणवीर बोरा जी, त्रिदा चौधरी, आरती जी, अदिति जी, और जो इसको प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं मनोज जायसवाल जी, पंचम सिंह जी, डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं राज आशु जी, और डीओपी हैं जिगर खान जी, और मैं भी इसमें भूमिका निभा रहा हूँ। तो एक रेयर डिजीज़ पे है, बहुत अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है। जब आएगा तो कई चीज़ें होती हैं जो कुछ चीज़ों का मजाक उड़ाते हैं डिजीज़ का, जब तक हमें जानकारी ना हो उसकी। तो जब हमें पता चलता है, जब उससे हम वाकिफ़ होते हैं सब्जेक्ट से, तो कई चीज़ें हमारा विजन खुलता है यार कि ये चीज़ हमें पता नहीं थी और मजाक उड़ाते थे।
आगे चलकर उत्तराखंड में और कितनी मूवीज़ शूट करने के बारे में सोच सकते हैं?
बहुत, अभी तो शूट इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लोर हो रहा है उत्तराखंड में। अभी मैंने एक्चुअली लास्ट फिल्म, मैं पिछले 1-1.5 साल से मेरी काफ़ी फिल्म्स यहाँ पर शूट हुई हैं उत्तराखंड में। अभी लास्ट ईयर हमारी एक फिल्म थी तड़प, हाँ, स्टारिंग आन शेट्टी, तारा सुतारिया, नाडियाडवाला ग्रैंडसन प्रोडक्शन की, तो वो भी यहीं पर शूट हुई है मसूरी में। जी, और अभी शायद उसका कुछ रिमेनिंग पोर्शन भी है जो हम शायद थोड़ा और मसूरी में शूट करेंगे। और अब मैंने भी उत्तरकाशी में एक शॉर्ट फिल्म शूट करी। तो मैं उत्तराखंड एक्सप्लोर हो रहा है। उससे पहले भी 2-2.5 साल पहले मैं एक फिल्म शूट करके गया। तो और भी लोग आने हैं, एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, और उत्तराखंड सरकार का वो हमें सपोर्ट मिल रहा है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, तो तभी यहाँ पर सब आ पा रहे हैं। अगर किसी सरकार का आपको सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता तो आप नहीं काम कर पाते। तो सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, तो यहाँ पर लॉ कॉलेज ने हमें सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आप सब सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं टीम, तो ये बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया उसके लिए।
हेलो सर।
हेलो
सर, shooting in Law College Dehradun is talk of town. Everybody is talking about shooting in Law College Dehradun, Uttaranchal University. So what made you accept this offer?
All right, Smriti, since last 3-4 days, shooting is going on in Law College Dehradun, faculty of Uttaranchal University, and you can also see in the campus all the shooting members, they are doing their work. And your question, what made me to accept this offer of shooting in Law College Dehradun? In fact, to be very frankly, this is the movie named Kutub Minar. Raj Asutosh, he approached me one day and saying that we are making a theme movie. And he just explained me the story of also in cursorily way. And I have seen in the newspaper that the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, he inaugurated this opening of shooting of this movie in Uttarakhand. So when I have come to know about the theme of the movie, and the movie is based on a rare disease, a hero of the movie, and he is the very renowned person, Karanveer Bora. He is a hero in this. So he is in the role of that person who is suffering from that disease. And because of the disease, the person, he is being insulted everywhere in the society. So the theme is that a person, in case he is suffering from some disease, that is not in his or her hand. In fact, that is from the God. So it becomes our responsibility to cooperate them. There are so many such diseases where the cure of the disease depend much more on the cooperation of sometime family member, society, and school, college also. So I have accepted this proposal, and the shooting is going on here.
As we have heard about Law College Dehradun, sir, it has been, Law College Dehradun is always into, promoting the social issues. So was that something, connected with this thing?
Sure, sure, sure. See, Smriti, as you know, we understand that the prime responsibility of any law college to impart legal education. But at the same time, we have certain responsibilities towards society. And this is not the first time we have taken up such project. Before that also, a film in the name of Death Wish that was also built in Law College Dehradun in association with the Uttarakhand Police. And that documentary movie at present is being shown in every school and colleges by the police for the region. The whole movie is part of the campaign of drug abuse launched by Law College Dehradun. So similarly, this is another movie. I'll not be able to tell you the exact disease. It will come before everyone very soon. Or sometime you are interviewing, sometime you go to the Karanveer Vora, he may tell you, or director, but it will come very soon before the people. Then that will be the exact justification why we have come up as a law college, Uttaranchal University, for the cause of society.
You're also acting in this movie, sir. What made you accept that particular offer? Because as principal of Law College Dehradun, and so many things are connected.
Yes, yes. See, in fact, when this Raj Asutosh, the director of the movie, he was just talking to me. He told me, sir, give me one of your photograph, and he sent somewhere, and then he comes back. Then he says that there is one role, and that is the role of a principal. All right. So we want that you should do it. Then I told them that this is not my work. Then they say that once you are convinced, and the Law College Dehradun, Uttaranchal University, including the Chancellor of Uttaranchal University, Honorable Mr. Jitendra Joshi ji, they have given all the blessing for this movie. So why don't you accept it? Then when I saw it, the theme and my role, I said, all right, I'll come forward. That's the reason.
What are the expectations out of this movie, sir?
See, I see two types of expectations. One is for the viewer. Whatever I have concluded from the story, and during these 2-3 days, I have been with these people and talking to them. The one thing is that it will be really a part of the social responsibility that everyone should be able to do it, and this movie will teach to everyone. It will be a great lesson, great story for everyone, those who are sensitive in that. Another way which I am looking in this, now at present we are in the very young state Uttarakhand, right? So our government, they are coming forward with the great subsidy towards filmmaking sector. And what I have seen during these 2-3 days, that there are around 50 people, they have come from Bombay, and rest of all, around 150 people, they are locally, they have got a job. There are series of taxis hire, vanities hire. So how can we contribute for our own state? So I'm looking for that if this film is successful. And the vision of present government, they have declared that we are going to make it hub for the filmmaking. So if everything is successful, what is my contribution? What is the contribution of Uttaranchal University? Whatever we have, we will come forward. And these are the two ways it is benefited. One way for the society, and the another way for the participation in the government sector, making them and doing something for our own state, Uttarakhand.